is 7th standard maths, chapter name is integers. Now properties of division of integers. Now you know minus into minus means plus symbol. When you multiply the number, if same symbol means plus, minus into minus plus, and plus into plus is plus. It means same symbol. When you multiply with the same symbol, answer is with the plus mark. And when you multiply with the different symbol, minus into plus, different, negative and positive, answer is minus with minus symbol. And different symbol, minus into plus means same symbol means after multiplication answer with plus, different symbol means answer with minus symbol. Difference, minus into plus means minus, plus into minus means minus. And same rules are applicable for divisions also, children. If minus divided by minus means answer with plus symbol, plus divided by plus means answer with plus symbol, means same symbol means plus symbol. Okay, same proper method applicable for division. So minus into minus divided by minus means answer with plus. Okay, symbol, same symbol divided with the same symbol means plus, different symbol means minus. Minus divided by plus means minus symbol, plus divided by minus means same multiplication rule. If same symbol multiply with the same symbol means plus symbol, multiply with the different symbol means minus symbol. If divided with the same symbol, mean numerator and denominator with the minus symbol means answer with plus, and both are with the plus symbol, numerator and denominator both are with the plus means answer with plus symbol. And numerator is negative, denominator is plus means answer with minus, means same multiplication method. Same symbol plus mark, divide with the different symbol minus. Same here. So we can say that when we divide a negative integers by a negative integers, we first divide them as a whole number. First divide the number, then put a positive symbol, means negative means positive. Positive divided by positive means positive. Same symbol divided with the same symbol means positive symbol. Okay, therefore minus a divided by minus b means a divided by b. So answer where b does not equal to 0. Now properties of division of integers. Observe the following table and complete. Now here minus 8 divided by minus 4 means 4 ones are. Minus 8 divided by 4 means 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Minus into minus is plus 2. Negative integers divided with the negative integers means with the positive. And minus into minus means minus 4 divided by minus 8. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So here minus 8 divided by 3 means minus 8 divided by 3. Here we get decimal numbers. 3 divided by minus 8 means here also 0 point some decimal number. So what we observe in this? Minus 8 divided by minus 4, positive number. So result is an integers. So integers means a positive whole number with a positive and negative symbol. So number, positive number. So this is an integers. Second example, minus 4 divided by minus 8. Answer is minus 4 by minus 8 or minus 1 by 2. Fraction from is not in integers. Rose result is not an integers. Integers means positive, negative numbers, whole number. Okay, positive and negative number, whole number. Okay, with the positive and negative symbol. Minus 8 divided by 3. Minus 8 divided by 3 fraction. Answers are not an integers, and decimal numbers are also not an integers. 3 divided by minus 8. 3 divided by minus 8 means here also we get decimal number. Decimal number is not an integer. Integer means whole number with a positive or negative symbol. We know that division is not commutative for whole number. Here, and division is not commutative for whole number. And what we observe in this example, we observe that integers are not closed under division. Means after dividing, here we got integers, means positive number. Here this is not an integers, fraction number. This is not an integers, this is not an integer. So we observe that integers are not closed under division. And next let's check division is not commutative for a whole number. That we have to check now. Observe this example, or you can make your own example. Minus 8 divided by minus 4 does not equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8. This is commutative property. Commutative property means just reversing. This is minus 8 in first number and this is second. Here this is in second place and this is in first place, this is in second place. Just reversing it. Now commutative property. Commutative property means just reversing the numbers or letters. 3 plus 4 will become 4 plus 3. So addition of the addition is satisfied under commutative property. Now we have to check whether division of number minus 8 divided by minus 4 okay. Minus 8 divided by minus 4 does not equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8. That we have to check now. So this is given a commutative property. Commutative means just reversing. It does not equal to division is not satisfied with commutative property. Let's check the answer. Children, verify the answer. Minus 8 divided by minus 4. Minus 8 divided by minus 4. Here just reversing. So here minus 4 divided by minus 8. So numerator is 8. Above the line is numerator. Below the line is denominator. So above the line here numerator minus 4. Here minus 8. Let's check the answer. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and minus into minus is plus positive, or minus divided by minus means positive symbol. Same symbol, positive. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Here 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2 here, and here answer is just 2. So whether it is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 4 equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8? No, it does not equal to. Does not equal, because in right side we got 2 as answer and left side 1 by 2. So here we can conclude that division is not commutative for whole numbers. Now exercise 1.4, evaluate each of the following. A minus 30 divided by 10. Now first one, exercise 1.4, first main, evaluate each of the following. A1 minus 30 divided by 10. How to write that? Minus 30 divided by 10 means minus 30 numerator and 10 is denominator. Now in which tables it will divide, children? Means 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. Answer is minus 3. This is the answer. Answer is minus 3. Second one, B, 50 divided by minus 5. 50 divided by minus 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. Okay, so answer is 10. Plus into minus is minus. Answer with minus 10. Answer is minus 10. Now C1, children, minus 36 divided by minus 9. So minus 36 is numerator and this is down minus 9. 9 ones are 9 and 4s are 36. Answer 4. Minus into minus is plus. So answer is plus 4. Now D1, children, minus 49 divided by 49. So you have to write minus 49 by 49. Now 49 ones are 49. 49 ones are 49. So minus 1. Answer is minus 1 because minus into plus is minus. Minus 1 is the answer. Now we have to evaluate 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Write 13 as it is and simplify this. Simplifying means removing bracket. So 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is how much? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So answer is 13 divided by minus 1 means 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 13s are 13. So answer is 13. Plus into minus is minus. Answer is minus 13. Now F1, 0 divided by minus 12. Any number divided with 0 means answer is 0 and no symbol for 0. 0 divided by minus 12 means 0. 0 is the answer. This is the answer, children. Now H1, minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So simplify this. Okay, first simplify this, then divide it. Minus 36 divided by 12. And again divided by 3. First simplify this. Minus 36 divided by 12. Answer is 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. Minus 3 divided by 3. So minus 3 divided by 3 means How much minus 3 divided by 3 means? Minus 3 divided by 3 means 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Answer is minus 1. Answer is minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, first simplify this. Minus 36 divided by 12 and divided by 3. 12 ones are 12, 3 is a minus 3 is the answer and divided by 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 means answer is minus 1. Minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. So minus 31 as it is divided by, and simplify this first. Minus 30 plus 1 means plus into minus is minus. Minus 30 minus 1 is minus 31. So this is minus 30 plus into minus is minus. Same symbol means we have to add. So minus 31. So minus 31 divided by minus 31. Minus 31 divided by minus 31. 31 ones are same tables, no? 31 ones are 31. So answer is my 1, positive 1, because minus into minus is plus. Answer is 1. Minus I1, I, question is I children. Minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 5, first simplify this, remove the bracket. Simplification means removing bracket. Minus 6 plus 5 means how much? Minus 1. So now minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Okay, simplify this, then remove the bracket. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Subtract. Different symbol means subtraction, and greater number symbol is 2 symbol. So answer is minus 1 by minus 1. 1 ones are 1 ones are 1. Minus into minus is plus. Answer is 1. 1 is the answer.